Here in my background you can see the goats. They are eating grass because in order to survive they need to feed their stomach. It's their hard work. Daily the goats will be eating this grass. And you know what? Goat is the only being which can eat all kind of leaves, all kind of plants, except few. There are few exceptions like 1 or 2 or max would be 10. But as per my knowledge, goats can eat and digest all kind of plants. And here if you look at the goats, what I strongly believe is it's a teamwork. For each and every goat team, there would be one goat which will be showing the path. Did you ever notice that whenever you see sheep or goat, there would be group of goats, and one goat will be leading that team. One goat will be leading that team, and that goat will be leading to achieve their destination, whether it might be their home, whether it might be their shed, or there might be some farmhouse, there might be place like this where they can get their food, right? So here what I would like to focus is, if you have an caretaker, or if you have a mentor, if you have a person who can lead you the path of success, doesn't matter, success is not about money, it's about career, it's about skill, it's about the learnings on daily basis, whatever you are doing. Here if you have a mentor, if you have a person who you strongly believe that yes, I can believe this person blindly and I will be achieving my destination, then you can go with that. Because whenever I see goats or sheep on roads, I will feel that what a teamwork, what a person or what a sheep it is leading entire team to lead or to reach their destination, which is awesome, right? Just imagine for a moment, do we have, as a human, do we have that capacity or capability of doing those kind of things? Yes or no? I cannot deny that, or I cannot agree that, because it depends on the person whom we are believing. Just ensure that whenever you are believing any person, you need to believe blindly, and you need to have a confidence that yes, this person will take me to achieve my goal, take me to achieve certain things which you're planning or which you have imagined in your life, right? Just focus towards that and choose a right person in your life. This is Sudhir signing off for now. See you in my next video.